Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch FHD IPS laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a high-performance laptop that effortlessly balances productivity and casual gaming without breaking the bank, then the NIMO 15.6-inch FHD IPS business and gaming laptop might just be what you're looking for. At the heart of this machine lies the AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor, built on an advanced 6nm process. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, delivering a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. This CPU doesn't just hold its own in everyday productivity. It's powerful enough to beat Intel's i5-12450H in multi-threaded tasks and casual gaming. Whether you're multitasking, editing large spreadsheets, or playing light to moderate games, the Ryzen 6600H delivers smooth, reliable performance. Backing up that powerful CPU is 32GB of DDR5 RAM. That's right, DDR5, the newest generation of memory, which means faster data transfer speeds, better power efficiency, and future-proof performance. This is perfect for users who open dozens of tabs, edit photos and videos, or run multiple applications at once. You won't experience the slowdowns that come with cheaper laptops equipped with lower memory. Now let's talk storage. The NIMO laptop comes with a 1TB PCIe SSD. This is a massive upgrade from traditional hard drives or even SATA SSDs. The PCIe NVMe interface ensures blazing fast boot times, near instantaneous app launches, and swift file transfers. You can store large files, games, and media content without worrying about space or speed. Moving on to visuals. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display offers vivid color reproduction and wide viewing angles. Whether you're streaming videos, working on design tasks, or gaming, the screen gives you a crisp and immersive experience. And thanks to the narrow bezels, you get more screen real estate in a compact body. One of the most convenient features is the Fingerprint Reader integrated into the touchpad. Just tap your finger to unlock your laptop instantly. No more typing long passwords. It's fast, secure, and adds a touch of modern flair. Now let's talk about portability and power. This laptop includes a 100-watt USB Type-C PD charger, which is compact, lightweight, and versatile. You can charge not only the laptop, but also your smartphone, tablet, and other Type-C compatible devices. This eliminates the need to carry multiple chargers, a big win for students, professionals, or digital nomads. For connectivity, the NIMO laptop is stacked. You get 1 SuperSpeed USB Type-C, 3 SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports, an HDMI port for external displays, an SD card reader, a combo audio jack, and Wi-Fi 5 plus Bluetooth support. Whether you need to connect peripherals, transfer files from a camera, or hook up a second monitor, you're covered. The laptop also includes a full-size backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad, making it a comfortable choice for those who do a lot of typing or data entry, even in low-light environments. Design-wise, the laptop sports a clean, modern look with a deep blue finish that stands out without being flashy. The build is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry between home, office, or school. Finally, there's the peace of mind that comes with NIMO's customer-first approach. Every unit is assembled in the USA, and you're backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. On top of that, there's a 90-day free return policy, which is rare at this price point.